Hello dear students, welcome back to English classes with your English teacher Divya. Today let's learn about conjunctions, okay? I know the word conjunctions is very lengthy with lots of letters in it and even harder to pronounce. Isn't it children? But don't worry children, let's begin our today's class by learning to pronounce the word conjunctions. Okay? Yes. In order to make it easy for you to learn the spelling and the pronunciation of the word conjunctions, I have divided the word into three groups. The first group is C-O-N, con. C-O-N is pronounced as con. So repeat after me children. C-O-N is pronounced as con. Very good. Now the second group is J-U-N-C, junk. Junk. Repeat after me children. J-U-N-C is pronounced as junk. Okay. Now the third group is T-I-O-N-S. And T-I-O-N-S is pronounced as shuns. Shuns. Repeat after me children. T-I-O-N-S is pronounced as shuns. Excellent. Now let's bring them all together. C-O-N, con, J-U-N-C, junk, T-I-O-N-S, shuns. So the word is pronounced as conjunctions. Conjunctions. Okay, children? Right. Now that we have learned the spelling and the pronunciation of the word conjunctions, let's get started with our topic. Are you excited, children? Yay! So here we go. You know what, children? The other day I wanted to go to the market. So I pulled out my shoes from the shoe rack. And what do I see? I see that the sole of my shoe had come out. What do I do now? I don't have a second pair of shoes to wear. So I took out my glue to fix the sole of my shoes. I was able to fix the sole of my shoe with the help of glue. And ta-da! My shoe was as good as new. Now after this, I was very excited. So I decided to play with glue for some more time and I started fixing the broken furniture in my home one after the other. So glue can also be used to fix broken wooden parts of a furniture, isn't it? Yes. Now don't you agree with me children that glue is something very useful as well as interesting to play with? Yes. You know children, English language has also got some words which act as glue. The words like and, but, or, because, as act like glue to join two words or sentences. Isn't it interesting? Yes. So such words that help in gluing or joining two words or sentences are called conjunctions. So what are conjunctions, children? Conjunctions are words that glue or join two words or sentences. A few examples of this are bread and butter. I like ice cream, but I do not eat it. The words that are highlighted in blue, that is and but, are conjunctions, right? Now let's learn how to join or glue or connect two sentences using conjunctions, right? Little Neha goes to a sweet shop. She looks at the delicious jalebis and then her gaze falls upon the laddus. Seeing her stare at the sweets, the shopkeeper asks, Kid, do you want laddu or jalebi? For which Neha replies, I want jalebi, I want laddu. So children, here you have got two sentences, I want jalebi and I want laddu. Now we will have to join these two sentences using a conjunction, right? Please look at these two sentences children. You will find that I want is repeated in both of the sentences, isn't it? So because it is repeated, we are not going to use it twice when we frame our sentence. We will be using I want only once in our sentence. And then the rest of the sentence, which is jalebi in the first sentence and laddu in the second sentence, is just information. So we are going to add it into the sentence using the conjunction and. So our sentence is going to be I want laddu and jalebi. You can also write it as I want jalebi and laddu. Both are correct. Also, please note that when you join sentences using conjunctions, the meaning never changes. Okay? In this screen, there are two conjunctions. Which are the children? One is or and the next one is and. The conjunction or is used to indicate a choice. Do you want this one or that one? In this case, does Neha want a laddu or a jalebi? Clear? So or is used in order to indicate a choice, whereas the conjunction and is used in order to add or join information or ideas or similar qualities. Clear? Yes. Now let's check out another example. On this screen, you will find two kids. One is Riya and the next is a boy named Suresh. Now, what are they doing, children? Riya is going to school. Suresh is going to school. So, we can frame two sentences here. Riya is going to school and Suresh is going to school. Here, we are going to use the conjunction and to join these two sentences. Look at these two sentences closely, children. You will find that is going to school is repeated in both the sentences. So we will have to use it only once while framing our sentence. Clear? And the names Riya and Suresh are facts. So our sentence is going to be Riya and Suresh are going to school. Okay, right. Here the conjunction is and. So as I said earlier, children, and is a conjunction that is used to join some information or some facts. Clear? Right. Now let's move on to our next example. On this screen, you will find a sick kid, and we have two sentences on the screen. The first sentence is Minnie wants to go to school, and the second sentence is she is not well. Here, we are going to join these two sentences using the conjunction but. So, our sentence is going to be Minnie wants to go to school, but she's not well. Now, why did we use the conjunction but here? The conjunction but is used to indicate opposite ideas. Minnie loves to go to school, but she is not well, so she cannot go. So, children, when and is used in order to join two ideas or facts or some information, but is used to indicate some opposite or contrasting ideas. Clear? Right. Moving on to our next example. Here, observe carefully, children. The picture is same, but the sentences are different. Minnie did not go to school is the first sentence. The second sentence is she is not well. The first sentence, Minnie did not go to school, says what happened. And the second sentence, she is not well, gives the reason as to why Minnie did not go to school. So our sentence is going to be Minnie did not go to school because she is not well. You can also use the conjunction as in place of because, as they have the same meaning. So once again, children, the conjunction because is used to give a reason. In this case, Minnie did not go to school and the reason is she is not well. Clear? So far we have learned the usage of the conjunction and, but, and, because and as. Okay, moving on to our next example. Here we have a school playground where children are playing happily. But we have a boy who is not interested in playing. He is reading a book. He says, everyone has gone to play. I want to read. Now, if you look at these two sentences, children, you will see that they are contradictory. Contradictory means they have opposite ideas. So, in order to talk about opposite ideas, we learn that we have to use the conjunction but. Here, we can use the conjunction but to join these two sentences, right? Yes. So our answer is going to be, everyone has gone to play, but I want to read. Clear? Yes. So children, can you find out the conjunction that is used in this sentence? Very good. It is but. Let's now check out our last example. Here we have a boy named Raju playing basketball, and then we have him playing hockey. If you notice these two sentences, you will realize that they talk about some facts. The fact that Raju plays basketball and he plays hockey. So what is the conjunction that we are going to use here? We are going to use and in order to connect these two sentences. But remember children, before joining these two sentences using and, we will have to look out for some repeating words. If you see in the first sentence, Raju plays basketball, that's fine. But look at the second sentence, he also plays hockey. That's a repetition, isn't it? So we are not going to use that except the information hockey. So our sentence is going to be, Raju plays basketball and hockey. Alright, isn't it easy now? Yes. So let's now revise. So what are conjunctions, children? Conjunctions are words that glue or join two words or sentences. Clear? Yes. We should also bear in mind that the meaning of the sentence does not change when we use conjunctions to join words or two sentences. Okay? Yes. A few examples of conjunctions that we have already covered are and, but, or, and because. Let's also revise the uses of these conjunctions. The conjunction and is used to join words or sentences that have similar or related ideas. The conjunction but is used to join words or sentences that have opposite ideas. The conjunction or is used to join words or sentences in order to show choice. The conjunction because and as are used to join words or sentences in order to show reason. So we can conclude that conjunctions are the glue of English language. They are used to avoid repetitive sentences in English language, thereby making the statement more direct. Now that we have learned how to join two sentences using different conjunctions, I want you to work on the textual exercise that is given in the Marigold textbook, page number 5. Okay, children, write the answers of this exercise in the textbook and after completion, take a picture of this page and post it onto my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, so bye-bye children and have a wonderful day.